Hi guys, thanks for tuning back into the video. So we're going to show you this Autel tool and what systems and what service functions it will cover when hooked up to a McLaren 720S Coupe or Spyder version. Okay, so we've got the tool screens all ready to show you. We'll just click on manual selection. We'll see a list of all of the McLaren vehicles come up on the right hand side here. But right now we're focusing on the 720S Coupe and Spyder, so we'll go Coupe first of all. We'll just use the 2020 model as an example. Click OK, and then we'll go to Control Unit. And then these are the systems that the tool will connect to on the McLaren 720S Coupe and Spyder. So we've got all of the main systems like the engines, transmission, electronic stability, so the ABS system, occupant restraint airbag system, body control, tyre pressures, steering angle sensors, doors and seat modules. And then we've got a couple more on this page right here. So those are the main systems, like if you've got a check engine, airbag, ABS light, something like that, it'll allow you to diagnose, reset, look at live data, look at the fault codes, look at the description of the fault and a few more bits of information. So that is the 720, the Coupe. And if we go to the Spyder, what I'll also show you is the hot functions. So it'll do service functions as well. So on this vehicle, it'll do the oil service reset, electronic park and brake, and throttle calibration reset. So we'll just escape all of this and go to that. And then we're going to come out, and then we're going to go back in and go to the Spyder. So we look at the Spyder 720S. Now, obviously, the Spyder, the Coupe, they are the same vehicle, other than one big difference being the roof system. So everything is going to be exactly the same, but the only difference here is that you get access to the convertible roof system on the 720S Spyder. Okay, and the service functions, they will be exactly the same. Okay, so that's the 720S. Now, like I say, if you were interested, we'll pop the link to this in the description below this video. We do same day dispatch. We'll pop the email address in there as well. So if you've got any questions and you want a little bit of clarification on whether the tool will do a certain job or a certain reset on your specific McLaren, then by all means drop us an email. And you can also click that link and you'll get more information in the listing of this tool itself. Okay, thanks for watching and I hope it helps.